Hi, Titus. Um, Speaking a little bit to domain and range, I'm looking in your lesson here in Apex. I'm on page 12. Finding the domain algebraically, there is a little hidden help section right here called Rediscover, and it goes over how to write domain and range in interval notation, which is how the answer key is, and in your quiz is also representing domain and range. So check this out on page 12. Um, it sounds like that's a resource you haven't quite seen yet. And then the other suggestion for you, as you're putting the pieces together and you're asking all the right questions, so keep it up, is you want a graph to look at in order to determine the domain and range. So you asked how to graph the equations with fractions. Just use a graphing calculator. And if you don't have one, a physical graphing calculator to sketch your graph, you can use a website. My favorite one is Desmos. I'll show you what that one is real quick. Desmos.com. Let me move this up so you can see the URL here. There you are. And it is just a graphing app. So you go to Math Tools, Graphing Calculator, and it's completely free. Type in your function over here on the left and it graphs it for you. So that's how you can do domain and range. At this point in math, you don't use the tools available to you, and one of the tools available to you is a graphing calculator, okay? So check those resources out. I'm also sending the answer key for those problems where the answers didn't come through. If you want to hop into Zoom later today, we can do that and go over other questions that you have. Okay? All right.